YouTube will launch its new YouTube Create app, the ultimate tool to help you create stunning, long-form videos and shorts right from your phone. But wait, it gets even better. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting, this is how YouTube Create will change your business. Create video like a pro. The YouTube Create app lets you easily bring your ideas to life from your phone. Whether planning a quick product demo or a full-blown marketing campaign, this app has you covered. With just a few taps, you can start a new project and access all your device's videos and photos. Gone are the days of complicated software and steep learning curves. YouTube Create allows you to edit like a pro right at your fingertips. You can adjust clip durations, add effects and filters, put stickers, and add captions. That's all the hype in shorts. And guess what? It's completely free. Cost-effective creativity. Running a business can be expensive, but with YouTube Create, you can save big on video editing software. This app won't cost you a dime. Businessmen and entrepreneurs can save time and money. Yet, it offers a full suite of editing tools rivaling even the priciest software. This lets you create and publish content without expensive video editing software or hiring professional editors. Think about the money you'll save, which you can reinvest into your growing business. Now that's a win-win. While we're at it, please do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell below so you'll never miss out on our content. It's free and it helps us out a lot. Plus, stay tuned and I'll show you how you can take your content to the moon. Publish anywhere with confidence. In the world of online content, one size doesn't fit all. Whether you're creating regular videos or shorts, YouTube Create has you covered. You can easily switch between 16:9 for standard videos or 19:16 for shorts, tailoring your content to your audience preferences. Your brand doesn't have to be stuck in one format. You need to cover all bases. Get discovered using vertical clips and lead them to your longer videos. And with YouTube's new channel features, this gives you more opportunities for awareness and leads. It's all about making your content look its best no matter where it's viewed. Audio superpowers. YouTube Create gives you two audio features in your arsenal. First is audio cleanup. We all know how important clear audio is in videos. The YouTube Create app comes to the rescue with its audio cleanup feature. Say goodbye to annoying background noise. You can make your voiceovers crystal clear with just a few taps. The second is copyright-free music and sound effects. You heard it right, copyright-free. Want to add that perfect soundtrack to your video? Look no further other than the YouTube audio library. It's a treasure trove of free and copyright-safe music and sound effects. No more worrying about content ID claims or monetization issues, which can affect your video's distribution. You can't put a price on peace of mind, and free means more money invested back to your business. Now that you've created your perfect video, you can directly upload it to your YouTube channel from your phone. With a few taps, your lead generation or promotional video is on YouTube for potential clients to see. Now, why just be limited to YouTube? That's where Repurpose.io comes in. With Repurpose.io, the video you just uploaded will appear on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and other social media platforms. Do it automatically or schedule it at your preferred time. And guess what? We want to give you a free 14-day trial to test it for yourself. Just go to repurpose.io/free.